Yeah, 20,
So when was the last time you went to a chiropractor?
maybe
A
like
year
2
ago?
years.
How
It's
is that?
been a while. It was good.
Okay. Do you have any symptoms like pain down your leg, shooting pains down your arms?
No. Sometimes I wake up, my shoulder's like numb. That's from like a football injury, but
So you have had past injuries.
yeah, I guess. I got on the bottom of a dog pile playing football, and my shoulder was like basically on the ground like this.
And
And
people were on top of you,
yeah,
like from the front.
yeah.
Okay.
For like 3 or 4 months, I couldn't lift like past here.
You didn't get treated for that? You
I
didn't
didn't
get
want to.
images?
I didn't want to. I wanted to keep playing football. It's
So
my
you didn't
last
get an
year.
MRI, you didn't get an X-ray.
No, nothing.
Okay, we can check out the shoulder just to see.